Top foods to avoid that will help getting rid of unwanted stomach fat. Flavored yogurt. Flavored yogurt contains up to 30 g of sugar with every 6-ounce serving. Excess sugar can lead to weight gain, so you might want to avoid flavored yogurt and stick with Greek yogurt. Pancake syrup. Pancake syrup contains high fructose corn syrup, which is mixed with artificial colors and flavors, which will not help you get rid of that unwanted belly fat. Granola. Granola can be laced with as many as 5 different types of sugar and added fats. This is not beneficial to your waistline. Soda. Soda is filled with sugar and calories and should never be in anyone's diet if they want to lose weight. They added that once the body gets a blast of sugar, it stops using fat as its energy and uses the sugar instead.